Josie Fratantoni leads some of the most talented and sought-after designers in the industry, working with families across the US and around the world. Fratantoni interior designers bring innovative and dramatic interiors to every family.
She was very creative. Josie, she can envision everything and anything. Not just one room, but she can picture the whole house.
Josie works alongside the architects to make sure the design and interiors are perfectly in sync.
She was with us even in the initial design phase. She was giving her input even then, making sure there were enough niches, enough sunlight from every angle, so she was involved from the beginnings.
If there is one person's work that you can see at every nook and corner of the home, it's Josie. She saw past what the architect saw.
Josie Fratantoni believes that each interior should be individual and unique for every family.
She showed us different houses that she did, and everything was so different. So I think that's what I liked, is that she was not being repetitive anywhere.
Fratantoni interior designers understand that every penny spent should provide value.
If there was one single expense in this whole project I can think of that was well worth it, it was Josie's fees. Honestly, it was too little, I guess, for what she did.
You guys seem to be huge fans of Josie.
Yes, absolutely.
Fratantoni interior designers, making homes extraordinary. Let us help you begin this amazing journey known as the Fratantoni Experience.